Input and data files. So we will discuss another type of load that which basically load the data into the database. It is called input and data load. So first we will discuss exactly what do you mean by input and data files, fixed record format, variable record format, and stream record format. So SQL Loader reads the data from one or more files specified in the control file. From SQL Loader perspective, we will use a fixed record, variable record, and the stream record formats. In the fixed record format, we will mention in file by using fix and under inside the double quotation, and within that one we will manage the load data, and as example we will put the file in source file for which we should say that it is fixed for 10 into the table example and terminated by the single quotation with column 1 and 2. Let's suppose we have a data in this way. We have two columns. The first column has 4 characters length and the second column also 4 character length. So two columns and there are 3 records. Variable record format is basically means that how much variable or how many characters that we can manage within the field. So we can write down in file data file name, and we say that where n. So if where n is not given, then data loader assumes length of 6. Similarly, variable record length is basically managed with the help of 3 variables. So in this particular case, we have option here which is called a variable 3 length, and optionally we will use a double quotation or single quotation. So let's suppose we have 2 columns, column 1 and 2, and these 2 columns are managed with the help of this data. So this is called a variable record format. Similarly, we have a stream record format. In the stream one, we have to give a kind of terminator indicator, or which shows that we have to use up to this level this particular record. So we can use in file data file name, and we should say string terminator, and with the help of this one, the automatically Oracle adjust the terminator of the field. We will use my hidden kind of characters /n, /t, /f, /v, and /r, which are carried on vertical form feed or horizontal or new line, and these can be used also within the control file as a stream record format. So that's for example, we are using this one as a pipe symbol, which means that this is a terminator, and /n means that next line, and we will use this one as a stream kind of option. Rest of the options are same, except that we will use a terminator that exactly where the record is finished, or where the basically column is going to be finished. So this is what we call a stream record format.